Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we will be learning how to log into Capital City bank account online. Logging into your Capital City bank account is quick and easy, so just follow the steps till the end. First of all, open up a web browser on your computer or your mobile devices. In the URL box, go ahead and type in ccbg.com. You will end up in the Capital City bank account homepage. Click on the login button appearing at the top of the screen, and then you will be able to see the login portal. Select your bank account type from the drop-down at the top. You can choose from credit cards, loan payment, merchant services, and so on. I'm just going to log into my online banking, so let me select online banking. Now in the username tab, type down your correct username for your account. Now in the password area, type down your password correct. If you don't remember the password, tap on forgot password and follow through the password reset process. After typing down your correct credential, tap on the login button and you will be logged in to your Capital City bank account online. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.